Welcome to 10 minutes up Roy's Peak track. I'm going up there and I'm going to look at that. It was a little bit too dark, but the sunrise has been unbelievable. That orange bit you see there was way up in the sky. The whole lot was orange. It's really windy, so excuse the blusteriness. This is going to do me the power of good. You can just see the sun rising onto the peak there. It's just before 8 AM. There's not many other people around. That's a pattern of New Zealand. Anyway, I'm going to go and sweat some more and get out of breath, get up to the top. I'll meet you along the way. It's hard work, alright. This is the south end of Lake Wanaka. This is a 5 to 6 hour hike in total. Yeah, I'm going to have to take this reasonably easy based on how out of breath I am at the moment, but it's alright. Had a big bowl of porridge, a couple of slices of bread and peanut butter, I've got banana with me, plenty of water, and a fantastic view to keep me going. Hey sheep, how's it going? Yep, more interested in grass. Alright, it's 8:43 now. Time for a quick sit rep. I think up there might be the top, but it was a good chance just to take a little breather, sip of water on board, and check out the view again. It is not easy going, that's for sure. It's just a hike. Like, I'm not mountaineering or anything, but because it's relentless really. It's just up and up and up and up. There's no flat bits to catch your breath on, so you just have to keep on plugging on. But a bit of mental encouragement in the old conversation in the mind keeps you going forwards. One foot in front of the other, and eventually you make it. I think I'm making quite good progress given that I left just under an hour ago. I feel like I must be maybe just under halfway or maybe halfway up, just based on, like, I came from kind of, can you see where that road is down there? There, and that's where I'm going up to. So, feels about halfway. We'll see in a bit. I can feel the fresh air in my lungs though. It's definitely cleaning them out. Massive contrast to the fumes of Bali, and then I don't know what London is, but London air isn't clean, so it's great to get some fresh clean air in the lungs. I'm an hour in and it was time to sit down for a breather. I've read a few articles and books, and I've actually known a few people who've done like endurance stuff, like triathlons, Ironmen, like serious endurance stuff. And one of the messages that I've just been reminded of is those kinds of things they're the longest conversation you have with yourself. I know I've not done an Ironman or a triathlon, but this hike here, I suddenly realised the whole time I'd been talking to myself. Not in a weird way, but you know how in your mind, in your head, you're kind of willing yourself on, and first bits are easy and you're full of confidence and you're like, yeah, I'm gonna the battery just ran out. But I was just saying about how these kind of things that are a bit more endurance focused are like the longest conversation you have with yourself, in your mind obviously, you're not speaking out loud too much, but you start off really easy and you're full of confidence, you're like, yeah, sweet, and then slowly but surely those little demons start coming in about how much energy you've got, are you managing your food right, have you got blisters, all of those kinds of things. You just got to squash them, keep going, keep on putting one foot in front of the other, and you'll make it. Anyway, let's pack up and get moving, enough of that. The other secret weapon in the battle against fatigue, chocolate cookies. These little beauties keep you going. I've just seen a sign saying it's only 1.5 k's to the top, so can't be that much longer now. Nearly there. Oh, We're gonna do it, guys, we're gonna do it. Look at that view, keeps on getting better and better. Whew. I can see the top. Oh yeah. Let me spin you around. You can see those two silhouettes up there? That's gonna be me in the not too distant future. Oh yeah, look how far I've come as well. See this long and winding road, all down there, all down to that road right at the bottom. Yep. I think there are about 3 reasons why people climb mountains. First of which is to challenge yourself. There's something, I don't know what it is, but there's something in it saying, can I do it? Following on from that, sense of achievement when you reach the top. That's a biggie. What was the other one? I think the altitude is affecting my mind. What was it? Oh yes, number 3, the view is an obvious one. It was literally right in front of me. Look at the view. I can't wait to get to the top. Gonna get such a picture. Ah, guys, I got a really bad stitch. I had to stop because I made it to the top, baby. Oh yeah. Freaking awesome. This isn't actually the very top, this is what's called the vantage point. There's a little point just out there where those people are, which I'm going to go to when they've finished, just so I can say I did it. So the rain's just moved in, hopefully it's not too heavy. I think it's just because we're in the cloud, but wicked. What time is it? Let me see what time it is, how long it took me up here. It is now 9:44, can you see that? 9:45 now. So I left at just before 8, 9, so it's 2 hours basically. Not bad going. The review said it was probably about 3 up, so I've made good time. What a view! Wicked! This is what gets me out of bed in the morning. I think, yeah, 2 of my longest standing sort of aspirations or dreams. One has been to climb Everest, and the other one's been to go into space. I think if I could get a ticket on Virgin Galactic, like that would be, I'd be made. That would be it. I'd be so excited. Imagine seeing the world from that high up. This is why I come up places like this. I love being up high, and I don't know why it is, but there's something that you just get from it that's like, there's kind of an aloneness, not in like a sad way, but there's only me and these other 2 folks up here, and everybody else is down there. There's kind of, I don't know, it just feels kind of cool. And obviously the view. Sense of accomplishment, as I said, the view, challenge yourself. 3 great reasons to climb up places like this. Roy's Peak, you've been challenging, I'd definitely say it's been a challenge. Grueling perhaps, my fitness isn't what it used to be. Certainly be better after today. But man, I'm going to stay up here for a little while. Use that extra hour that I gained on the way up and just enjoy the view. Take some photos and maybe not look like such a pillock in my rain hood. Anyway, photo time. See you in a bit. Guys, I had to switch to the GoPro just to get some of the awesome perspective in here, because this is more wide angle. See the epicness of what's going on here. Check it out, it's amazing. Unreal. That's where I came up. All the way up there. From down there. There's a road that goes down that way. Zigzag all the way up here. Out along here. And I am actually going to go up there, because that's the very top. This last little stretch is a killer. This one's not about the view. The view's all covered in the cloud. This one's about the sense of accomplishment. And here we are. Last few steps before the very top of Roy's Peak. Here we go. Man, that wind is strong. Yeah, baby! Winner! Ah, what a view! I mean, it'd be much better if the clouds weren't here. It wasn't so windy, but I can still see a long way. Hopefully you can too. Just clean you off. That wind and rain. Oh well. That's the thing with mountains. Generally when you get to the top, they're kind of like, it's time for you to leave now. And actually you're quite glad to be going down. I don't think you'd want to hang around up here for an awful lot longer than you have to. But I'm going to take a breather, grab some high quality H2O. Have a few cookies and a banana. Might sit here for a minute and just pray that the clouds move. Just because it would be awesome if they would, but come on, you can all pray with me and let's see what happens in a minute's time. Well, I'm going for 5 cookies. So I'm thinking 5 cookies is about a minute. After the 5th cookie, if it's no better, I'm just going to head back down again. That's cookie 5 about to go. No parking in the clouds, surprise, surprise, so I'm going back down. That away. Quick time check. See how quick that was. 10:38. 8, 9, 10. Yep. Just under 3 hours up. Let's see what it takes to get down. 10:38, remember that number. Right, about halfway down now by the looks of things. I've got a little tip if anybody is ever thinking of doing this themselves. Leave a spare pair of legs halfway up because you're going to need them on the way down. It's a real killer on the knees and the fronts of the legs. Reverse mode has to be enabled for this last little bit. My left knee is absolutely crying out. Shot to bits from stopping all that weight, I guess, from coming down the hill all the time. Flat bit, or flat-ish bit. Seizing right up. My IT band is going to need some serious foam roller action. Not looking forward to that. But look how close the car park is. Can you see it down there? That's my home. Well, not home, but that's where I've got to get to. I reckon it's another 20 minutes max. Yeah, there we go. That's it. Just coming into the car park now. Let me just do a... Sorry, I'm carrying loads of stuff. Quick time check. I was on the road, or on the path, just before 8. It's now just before 12. 4 hours. Good going. I went all the way up there. Right up into where that cloud is. And back again. Ah, blimey. Well, I think I've probably got that out of my system for a while. Now I need some lunch. Flat ground. It is good to be walking on flat solid ground. Just about 20 metres to the van. I am happy right now. That was awesome. I would highly recommend doing that. Things I wish I had would have been a backpack cover, a waterproof backpack cover, because I'm pretty sure everything in there is absolutely soaking now. Dreading to think about what it looks like when I open it and how I'm going to dry it out in the van. Anyway, home sweet home.